So our lesson today is about comparative and contrastive connectors. I think I can do a good job, but it would be nice to have a little helper. So I'm going to call her for you. And here she is. Welcome, Dalal. Or are you Snow White?
Snow White.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about Anna and Elsa. You like Frozen, right?
Yeah.
Do you guys like Frozen?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about Anna and Elsa. So both Anna and Elsa are what?
Friends.
They're friends? No, they're not. So both Anna and Elsa are princesses, right?
Princesses.
So, yeah. Now, Elsa has magical powers.
Powers. And Anna doesn't.
So Elsa has magical powers, whereas Anna, what?
Doesn't.
Doesn't. Exactly. So let's talk more about Elsa. What did Elsa do when she found out she had magical powers?
She ran away.
So she ran away
From
instead,
the ball.
instead of facing her fears, right? She should have stayed, right? Now,
She just hid in the ball.
she should have stayed in the ball, right? Now, let's talk about Anna. Anna was very angry at Elsa, right?
Yeah.
But what did she do when she found out Elsa was in trouble?
She ran on the horse.
To do what? To help her.
To help
So even though Anna was angry at Elsa, she still helped her. So Anna was angry at Elsa, but she went off to help her. Thank you, my little helper, for helping me. You can go now. Wave bye. Bye-bye. So we use comparative and contrastive connectors to talk about, to compare and contrast between things. So we have whereas, but, on the other hand, instead of, and both. These were some of their uses. Now I want you to find your own sentences.